Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are here with the second part of the video on general knowledge and current affairs. Here we are going to discuss 50 more MCQ questions on general knowledge and current affairs. Moving on to the question series. 51 question is who was the chief guest at India's Republic Day 2025 celebrations? And the answer for this is option C, President of Indonesia. And you might be knowing his name is Prabowo Subianto. Next is question 52. India celebrated which Republic Day in 2025? And the answer for this is option C, 76th. Next is question number 53. The 8th pay commission in India is related to. And the answer for this is option D, government employees salary revision. Next is question number 54. The 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill 2025 is related to, and this is very important. It is related to ministers' accountability, and option B is correct. According to this bill, Prime Minister, these Chief Minister, and our other ministers, they can be removed if detained for more than 30 consecutive days on serious criminal charges. Next is question number 55. Which body examined the 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill? And the answer for this is option C, that is JPC, Joint Parliamentary Committee. Next is question number 56. In 2025, India became the world's largest economy, and the answer for this is fourth. Next is question number 57. Which country did India overtake to become the fourth largest economy? And the answer for this is option A, Germany. Next is question number 58. Digital rupee in 2025 is issued by, and here you should be very careful in answering this question. It is RBI. Option C. Next is question number 59. PM Vishwakarma Yojana mainly supports, and in this the answer is option B, artisans and traditional workers. Next is question number 60. Union Budget 2025 focused heavily on, and the answer for this is option C, green growth and infrastructure. Next is question number 61. Operation Brahma was launched for relief in, and the answer for this is option C, Myanmar. Next is question number 62. India signed a major free trade agreement in 2025 with, and the answer for this is option A, UK. Other countries with which India has already signed this free trade agreement is Australia, UAE, but in 2025 it signed this free trade agreement with UK. Other countries with which it has signed this free trade agreement in 2025 are Oman, which is called as CEPA, with New Zealand, with countries like Iceland, Norway, and Switzerland. It has also signed this free trade agreement under this India EFTA, that is European Free Trade Association agreement, which was effective from October 1, 2025. Next in this list is question number 63. Which military exercise was conducted between India and France in 2025? And the answer for this is option B, that is Garuda. Next is question number 64. Which Indian missile system was successfully tested in 2025? And the answer for this is option D, that is BrahMos ER missile. Then is question number 65. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier is, and the answer for this is option A, that is INS Vikrant. This was also in the news during the Indo-Pakistan war of recently. Next is Question number 66. The 2025 heat wave affected India and which neighboring country the most? And the answer for this is option C, that is Pakistan. Next is question number 67. Which city recorded extreme temperatures during the 2025 heat wave? And the answer for this is option C, Ahmedabad. Next is question number 68. India's updated climate target is known as, and the answer for this is option D, that is NDC. And this NDC is basically its full form is nationally determined contributions. Next is question number 69. Cities coalition for circulatory C3 promoters. The answer for this is option B, waste recycling and circular economy. Next is question number 70. Which ministry launched the National Mission on Sustainable Habitat 2025? And the answer for this is option B, that is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Next is question number 71. India's human space flight mission is named, and the answer for this is option C, Gaganyaan. Next is question number 72. ISRO collaborated with which agency for the NISAR satellite? And the answer for this is option C, NASA. Next is question number 73. 6G technology in India is being spearheaded by, and the answer for this is option C, that is Bharat 6G Alliance. Next is question number 74. India's first AI regulation framework was introduced by, and this question is the repeat, and the answer for this is option B, METI. Next is question number 75. Which digital platform upgrade was introduced in other services in 2025? And for this, option A is correct, that is face authentication expansion. Next is question number 76. Which organization completed 100 years in 2025? This may be asked in some exam. And the answer for this is B, RSS. And this RSS, this completed 100 years on 2nd October 2025. Next is question number 77. UNESCO recognized which Indian cultural element in 2025? And the answer for this is option C, that is folk theatre tradition. Next is question number 78. Women friendly governance initiative at panchayat level is called, and the answer for this is option C, Nari Adalat. Nari means woman and Adalat means judiciary. 79. Next is question number 79. Which act strengthened women's reservation in local bodies? And the answer for this is option C, that is 106th Amendment. Next is question number 80. National education policy emphasizes which skill in 2025 reforms? And this is very important with respect to education. And the answer for this is option B, that is coding and AI. Next is question number 81. The bullet train project connects Mumbai with, and the answer for this is option C, Ahmedabad. Next is question number 82. Bharat Mala Pariyojana relates to, and the answer for this is option B, that is highways. Next is question number 83. Vande Bharat trains are categorized as, they are categorized as option C, that is semi high speed trains. Next is question number 84. Kedarnath redevelopment project is linked to, and the answer for this is option B, Prasad scheme. Next is question number 85. India's first underwater metro is in, and the answer for this is option D, Kolkata. Next is question number 86. India's national space regulator is, and the answer for this is option B, Iron Space. Next is question number 87. Which state topped the SDG India Index 2025? And the answer for this is option A, Kerala. Next is question number 88. India's first semiconductor fab is set up in. It's not fab, it's maybe lab. And the answer for this is question number 88's answer is option B, Gujarat. Next is question number 89. Which Indian city hosted the Global AI Summit 2025? So the option D, that is the capital of India, New Delhi, is correct. Next is question number 90. The National Green Hydrogen Mission target is, and the answer for this is option number B, net zero emissions. Next is question number 91. India hosted the 2025 World Para Athletics event in, and the answer for this is again capital of India, that is option number C, option C, New Delhi. Next is question number 92. The highest civilian award of India. Here you should see this word. Highest civilian award of India is, and the answer for this is option D, that is Bharat Ratna. Next is question number 93. Which Indian won an international environmental award in 2025? Is it Sunita Narayan, Vandana Shiva, or Rajendra Singh? The answer for this is option D, all of the above. Next is question number 94, and this is Khelo India Games aim to promote, and the answer for this is option C, youth and grassroots sports. Next is question 95. National Sports Day is observed on, and all the sports lovers should know this, that it is August 29. Next is question number 96. 2025 Nagpur violence was related to, and the answer for this is option C, that is communal tension. Next is question number 97. Which ministry handles disaster management in India? This is very important because the students may get confused here whether it is environment or other ministry, but the answer for this is option A, that is Home Affairs, and this department that manages it is NDMA, that is National Disaster Management Authority. Next is question 98. India's disaster response force is called as NDRF. Option C is correct. Next is question number 99. Which Indian state launched the largest free health insurance expansion in 2025? And the answer for this is option C, that is Uttar Pradesh. Next is question number 100. India's G20 presidency theme emphasized on, and the answer for this is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. So here we have completed this second part of the series of 200 MCQ questions on general knowledge and current affairs. I hope you will like this video and it will be helpful for your next exam. Please do like this video, subscribe this channel, and also share with your friends so that we will get maximum hits and it will be positive for our future work. Thank you very much.